Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, in this video we are going to compare three expert advisors that we are running recently. However, this is on trial account, but we have traded it on real accounts earlier. Since this is the end of the year, and we are just checking the performance in these volatile markets of these three expert advisors. One is VTS. Actually, there are two expert advisors, one for gold and one is for Euro USD. Okay, so we implemented both on one account, and by default, FP market demo account used to start with 100K. So we are using 0.10 lot size here. Okay, and we started this on 19th of October, and today is 29th of November, right? So 28th is the last working day, the last trading day. Okay, and it is almost like 1 month and 1 week, and we started with 100K with a lot size of 0.10, and we installed both expert advisors, the gold as well as Euro USD. This expert advisor is a trend trading expert advisor. However, it used to trade when there is a pullback or retracement zone. Okay, so it quickly enters and quickly exits the trade, but sometimes it happens like when the market is not in the favorable direction, and sometimes it used to take time, but most of the time it used to enter and exit faster. Okay, so this is about VTS gold. One is on gold and one is on Euro USD. So far we achieved the monthly is around 22.17% based on uh, the performance till date. Okay, daily is around 0.67%, and drawdown the maximum has been 5.06 so far. Okay, so with a deposit of 100K, we started, and the balance now is 131,362.39. This is my Myfxbook link, and I can provide you my Myfxbook link in the video description. You can just check it out, and you can check it out all the performance over there. Okay, and you can also check the open orders, the order history, and the open trades. Okay, so everything is transparent. You can just check it out. In case if you have any query, this is VTS gold plus VTS Euro USD. We implemented both on one account because 100K is too much for this expert advisor, so we installed both on one account. So in October, 19th of October, we started. It was 5.54. In November, it's already the end of the month now. So it is 24.47 so far in this month. And if you like to see the trading history, so this is VTS gold. Okay, and this is VTS Euro USD. So it has an inbuilt drawdown management as well. Okay, anyways, this is what the trading history is. We started on 19th of October, and you can see these trading history in Myfxbook also, but I'm just showing it to you right now, just in a brief. Okay, and the running trades right now, these are the running trades. You can see that the EA has the ability to trade on both sides. It is not hedging, it is counter trade. You can see that there are a couple of sell trade as well as the buy trade at the same time, right? So this is all about VTS gold and VTS Euro USD implemented on one single account. Let's compare it with other expert advisors. Now, as we compare this expert advisor with the Perfect Hedge expert advisor, which we started on 19th of October. However, due to a large number of trades or whatever the reason is, we are using the same broker, so we can compare the results on the same broker. This is not any something that we are suggesting something like we only suggest this broker or something. No, it is not like that, but we are using the same broker just to compare the performance of three expert advisor at the same time. So Perfect Hedge also we started on 19th of October, but unfortunately it is not showing any trade between 19th of October till 7th of November. We started with 100K here also, and these are the trading history. and these are the running trades right now. So we started with 100k, and then now the balance is 178 to 7. So like it is a profit of 78 to 7.26, right? So, but unfortunately, it is showing a deposit of 146k, which is false. And however, we started with 100k, and now it is 78 to 0.37 in a span of, I would say, 5 weeks or maybe five and a half weeks. Okay, and if you would like to see my FX book, but my FX book will also not be very sure, because it is showing a deposit of 146 at the moment in the trading account history. However, my FX book used to fetch the details from my account, from the account history itself. So hence we stopped my FX book on 7th of November, since it was not showing all the trading history. Okay, but let us confirm it through my FX book that we started with 100k. However, that will only show the details up to 7th of November, and after 7th of November, all trades, you can see it over here. Okay, so as I said that the last update was on 7th of November. We stopped the EA because it was not showing all the trades over there. Okay, so in a span of I would say less than a month, it achieved 46.35 with a maximum drawdown of 14.04. Okay, this is the growth graph, this is the balance graph, this is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. Okay, it is not showing today, this week, because we stopped the EA on 7th of November, just because of the obvious reason that I told you. Okay, in October we started on 19th of October. It achieved 42.98%, and in November, just we traded for up to 7th of November only, so 2.37. Okay, but as you can see over here that we started with 100k, right? It is the same account. We started with 100k, and till 7th of November we achieved 46,377, and after this you have already seen the trading history that I showed you, that till today we achieved 70k plus as a profit. However, this is a trial account, but just want to be transparent on this. Okay, and the same reason, the same obvious reason, with the Smart Gold Scalper. The Smart Gold Scalper also we started with 100k, but we started it in July of 7. Okay, and the same reason that it is not showing the trades after 7th of November, so we had to stop this on 7th of November. So July 7, so 7th of July and 7th of November, so it's already 4 months. So we achieved, like, from 100k deposit, uh, the profit that we achieved this on trial account, the profit we achieved is 312,504.21, and the account balance is was 412,504.21. We stopped the expert advisor also, because it is obvious that we would like to see that at what deposit we started with, and at what deposit we achieved, and where we are right now. But since the account history is not showing any trades after 7th of November, and so hence we had to stop it, because even in the middle it stopped showing the trading history. So hence we had to stop this after 4 months, 4 complete months. Okay, so this is Smart Gold Scalper. So now when we talk about VTS Gold or VTS Euro USD, I would say the minimum deposit to trade with this expert advisor for zero point 0.01 lot size, if you are trading both Euro USD and gold, the minimum would be, I would say, 6 to 7k, 6 to 7,000. However, we recommend 10,000 or 10,000 and above. That could be cents or USD. Okay, this is all about VTS Gold and VTS Euro USD when we are trading with both on one account. However, if you are trading individually, VTS Gold might require around 6 to 8k to start with, and definitely 10k would be recommended. However, you can start with 6 to 8k, and the same with the Euro USD. I would say 5 to 6k to start with. Okay, and recommended is always 10k. However, the drawdown so far has been smaller, so So like it can be a smaller, like you can start with smaller equity. However, we recommend 10K individually as well, or if you are trading both, then also 10K and above. Okay, this is about VTS Gold and VTS Euro USD on one account. Now we talk about Perfect Hedge. So Perfect Hedge is a scalping expert advisor, is a trend trading expert advisor, as well as it uses hedging when the market allows and certain conditions meet. It is not happening always. It is not 100% hedging expert advisor, but it uses hedging when and such situations happen. It depends on situation to situation, and it uses to trade the buy and sell orders both, right? And at the same time, it doesn't happen always, but depends on situation to situation. As and when the hedging is required, it used to implement the hedging strategy. Okay, you can check the trading history, so you can see like how the trading has opened, how the orders are open. Okay, and the minimum requirement to trade with this, I would say the minimum, don't go for minimum. I would say like around 30 to 50K is the minimum. However, that is very aggressive. Okay, that could be very risky too for gold. And for 50 to 70K, I would say for the mid level, like the moderate risk taker, and for comparatively conservative broker, I would say 80K to 100K, or maybe 100K and above if you would like to keep the drawdown more lower. Okay, so this is all about Perfect Hedge on gold. Now, if we talk about Smart Gold Scalper, again, this is Smart Gold Scalper. I would say the minimum requirement is 50 to 60K. That is the minimum, but please don't go with the minimum. That is very aggressive, and sometimes it happens when gold used to like trend in one direction for around, say, around 1500 pips or maybe 1800 pips in a single day without any retracement, then probably you require a little higher balance. I would say 100K is ideal, or 100K and above if you would like to see a lower risk. If you like to be a conservative trader, I would say 100K and above, and for default 0.01 lot size. Okay, it is a scalping expert advisor that used to monetize small gold movements, and at the same time, by the end of the day, you will see some significant profits, but that kind of profit is never guaranteed in any expert advisor, whether VTS Gold or Perfect Hedge. But so far, we have seen such kind of performance in this kind of volatile market from last 4 months. So we hope that this will continue in future as well. So we compared three expert advisor: VTS Gold and Euro on one account, Perfect Hedge Gold on one account, then Smart Gold Scalper on one account. Please put or comment in the video that which expert advisor do you see has the maximum potential, or which expert advisor is your favorite out of these. So thank you very much, guys. Take care, stay safe, and happy Thanksgiving to all of you. And I would like to wish you very much success, wealth, and a lot of profit in the Forex market. Spend a good time with your family. Take care, stay safe. Bye bye. Talk to you later.